Good day, welcome again. Today we'll be showing you how to add and subtract in different bases. If we do for base 2, it's the same principle that you can add for other bases or you can use for other bases. So please pay attention. The first thing you need to do now is to arrange it, and that's 10111 base 2, 1011 base 2. You put your addition sign. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, but in base 2 you cannot write 2 there, so you come by the side and then you say 2 divided by 2 is 1 remainder 0, and then 2 into 1 is 0 remainder 1. You go up and that's 10, so you write 0 and carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 again, so you write down 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Same thing you did for 2. You divide 3 by 2. 2 into 3 is 1 remainder 1, and 2 into 1 is 0 remainder 1, meaning that 3 base 2 is 11. So you write down 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. You write down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, which is 10. You write down 10. So your answer is 100100 base 2. Now if you have to subtract, I'm going to show you how to subtract also. Okay, so like I said I'm going to show you how to subtract. Now I'm going to just do the answer we got here, subtract this from the answer we got, and see if we will get this answer here. Now I want to say that if you had 3 additions, this plus another one, you first add 2 before you add the next one. Okay, so when you're subtracting this now, if it is in normal subtraction, if you're borrowing, when you put it here it becomes 10, but this is base 2. What you're borrowing is 2. So if you borrow from here it becomes 0, but you're putting 2 here. So you put 2, borrow from 2, remaining 1, so you have 2 here. Now 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1 cannot go, so you come back here and borrow 0. You borrowed right 2, borrow here, you have 1, you have 2 here, borrow here, you have 1, then you have 2 here. Now 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1 sorry is 0, 1 minus nothing is 1, 1011 base 2. Now it has the same answer we have here. So every time you have to subtract, you're borrowing 2, and if it's in other bases, maybe base 9 or base 8, whatever you're borrowing is that base. So for instance, if it was in base 8, you're borrowing 8, not 10. Do you get it? Because anytime if you're doing